How to change phone number in the Lyft app. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to change phone number on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto U button at the bottom, just right here, select it. Then here you can find your profile right here. Now tap on to view profile, select it. Then scroll down and here you can find your info right here. Tap on it. Now to change phone number, tap on to phone number right here, select it. Now simply remove this old phone number just like this and add a new one and tap on to next. And after that, you will simply get a code and add the code and verify your phone number, and your phone number will be changed. And that's it. This is how you can change phone number into the Lyft app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.